you a Roblox studio developer? Do you want to save time? Do you know all the hotkeys in Roblox? Well, if not, this is indeed the video for you. So the first hotkeys are tools with control 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is these tools here, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then the fifth one is transform, which is here. Up next, we have the most universal hotkey ever. Check this out. Here it is, guys. Control Z. Boom. That's just undo. And then there's control Y to redo. So we can undo, redo, you know, that. But hotkeys are definitely a lot faster. Now, the overall hotkeys of exiting. Alt F4, Control W, and Control 4 when you just want to quit for the day. Now, when it comes to the actual utilities in Roblox, we have quite a few hotkeys. We're going to start out with Control G to group. So let's duplicate this, grab them, Control G to group, and then Control U to ungroup. Perfect. Now, if we want to lock a part, if you don't know what that is, we'll just press Alt L and click on that part. And now we cannot select it. It's locked. This is nice if you're trying to highlight parts above a ground or something. Just kind of useful for some things. If you want to anchor parts quickly, just grab them and press Alt A. Now they're anchored. Now Control A is select everything that you have. And then we have our rotations. We could do Control R, just like this, and then Control T for turning. And then Control L is kind of important as well. You're not going to be able to really notice what it does unless I spin this. So let's do this. And as you can see, I want to move the part along the way it's facing. All you have to do is press Control L, and that changes from a local to a global movement, or vice versa. Up next, we have our camera controllers. We have E and F and Q. So E brings us up, Q brings us down, and F zooms to a part. This is super, super useful. Say you have a map way over there, all right, and you don't want to fly all the way over. All you got to do is highlight the whole space, press F, and boom, you'll fly over to the direct object. F is probably the hotkey I use second most. Control Z is definitely up first. Now, files, we have a few. We have Control N, which will open up a new Roblox Studio place. We're going to close that, though. We don't need it. We have Control O, which will let you open up a place you have saved. Control S just saves your current place. Control Shift P lets you save place as, and then Alt S is settings. Now, if we get into the modeling-ish part of Studio, union, negate, all this stuff right here, we have Control Shift G to union. So we'll just do that. Control Shift G. I guess that's also a hotkey for my GIF capture thing. And then Control Shift N is to negate, and Control Shift U is to separate. Now, to get into some more useful ones that you'll use probably every day, we have our copy and paste functions. First up, Control C plus Control V. C is to copy, V is to paste. Keep in mind, if you do it like this, if they are grouped together, we'll do a group right here, and we'll copy this one. It will bring it out of the group or folder, wherever you have it. If you want to keep it within the group or folder, you could do Control D, and that will also duplicate it, but it will just keep it within the group. Now, say we want to delete stuff, Control X will do that, and also just your delete button. Now we have our miscellaneous keybinds, guys. Full screen is F11. I'm not going to do that because I have an ultra-wide monitor and it would mess up this whole video. F12 is record. F5 is playtest. F6 is play solo. Alt G is show grid. Alt G. F7 is run server. Control and like the dash thing, the / is team chat, and Alt X is toggle explorer, as you can see. Does any developer team actually use team chat, by the way? I don't know. In fact, is it even a thing anymore? Team create. Maybe you have to turn that on first. Anyways, this is all the hotkeys in Roblox Studio. I do want to give a shout out to this guy right here who has sort of inspired this video. They made this, which I'll have a link to this tweet down below in the description, and it shows all of the hotkeys in one place. So if you guys want, you can literally just put this as your home screen or something. I don't know, but it does show all of the hotkeys, and I did skip the camera, these ones, because bro, what are these? Anyways, that is gonna wrap up today's video. If you did enjoy and you want to see more content like this, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, this might be created by 2hex, not this guy. I don't know, whoever is the original creator. Thank you, man. Anyways, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.